What is up, you beautiful people? It is Monday morning. I literally just uploaded last week's vlog. So I'm driving.
I have 3 pops for 45 calories and 0 sugar, so I want to let your trip go.
Well, that's great.
Flying high like the birds and the bees and feel the sky with the songs and the trees 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing.
You may be asking, guys, why am I here at the gym? Well, Claire's car got broken into. Look at all this glass. So, just gotta fill out the police report, but all that glass on the ground. Crazy.
It's my favorite clothes.
When you're here, I can feel you like a summer day in June.
Dude, the best one is
the yellow one, but
No.
they don't have a Z color.
it's probably because they can't make one. Oh, the big. Oh, you
So
mean the
look
big
at they
one?
have
Oh, the
it.
big one. Okay, yeah. Now we're specifically getting just Sprite and fries for Holly. I was being careful because I almost said for Claire.
Yeah, no.
Happens all the time. And she already has Gatorade, and now she has Sprite. Watch this. Attack! Ah, it's gone. Oh, it hit the door. I'll probably lock the door again. Yep, she always does. I realize I don't have my keys. Yeah, she said. Well, now we're back at the house. Holly, are you happy? Slowly, I'm gonna get my friends and family used to the camera. Slowly and surely. So, this is the thermostat that was in the car. This thing is, yeah, it's torched, so it's definitely the problem. So, this is what it looks like outside of the engine. That's off. So, next we put the new one in.
Stay there, stay. Flying high like the birds and the bees and feel alive.
You're a sauce.
I'm a what?
You're a sauce.
I'm a sauce?